This digital product sold over 18,000 in a single month. And this one, it brought in 9K plus just by selling a simple downloadable file. No shipping, no inventory, no overhead. And in today's video, I'll break down the 3 types of digital products that always sell, even if you have zero audience or experience. And I'll show you how to build one from scratch today using free tools. This isn't just a list of random product ideas. I'm going to show you real examples, how they're making money, and walk you through how to create your own by the end of the video. Planners and printables. These are the easiest to start with, especially if you're in lifestyle, wellness, or a business niche. They always sell because they solve one core problem: helping people stay organized. Just go to Etsy and type budget planner or fitness tracker. You'll see dozens of results, doing thousands of revenue each month. And what's crazy, most of them are simple Canva designs that anyone can make in under a day. So how to create one? Go to Canva, type planner in the search bar, use a template or build your own with text bubbles, tables, or checklists. Make sure to niche it down. Budget planner for moms, meal tracker for gym beginners, etc. Now export it as a PDF. Now you got a digital product you sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. And I'll also show you the exact selling strategy that turns this into daily sales, so keep watching. Product type number 2, Notion templates. If your audience is into productivity, content creation, or business, this one is gold. You're not just selling a digital file, you're selling a system that saves them hours of work. One creator made over 30,000 selling a Notion dashboard for content creators. And it wasn't even that complex. It just solved a very specific pain point: managing their entire content calendar in one place. So here's how you create one. Go to notion.so, create a free account, build a simple dashboard or tracker, weekly planner, budget tracker, business CRM, then add toggles, filters, icons, and make it look clean. Click share and turn it into a public template. Bundle it with a short PDF tutorial made in Canva. Now you have a premium template plus guide combo that feels 10 times more valuable than a basic doc. But what if you don't know designs or systems? Don't worry, product type number 3 is even easier. So product type number 3, prompt packs and resource guides. This one's perfect if you want to sell knowledge instead of designs. And it's exploding right now all thanks to AI. You've probably seen creators selling ChatGPT prompt packs or PDF guides, like 100 viral hooks for Reels, 50 AI prompts for Etsy sellers, or a digital product starter pack. And they're selling for $17 from anywhere to $47 or more. And most are just simple Canva design documents. If you know how to write helpful content, you can make this today. Here's how you create one. So open Canva, go to Docs, then ask ChatGPT to generate you some ideas. For example, type in "give me 50 viral TikTok hooks." Format it nicely, add sections, and include a CTA. Then download it as a PDF. Then upload it to Gumroad or your store. You're done. Simple product, high perceived value, instantly sellable. Now you got a digital product listed and ready to sell. So the biggest mistake that I see beginners make is that they stop here. The truth is, you don't need ads or a big audience to make sales. You just need attention. So here's how you get it. Theme page strategy. Create a niche Instagram or TikTok theme page, not a personal brand, a faceless viral content page. Let's say you made a planner for new moms. You could post short relatable reels, things I wish I tracked during pregnancy, or why I needed a daily planner as a new mom. Look at other mom related pages posting the same content, pages that are bigger than yours, and repost their same content. And you want to repost 1 to 3 videos per day to build momentum. And once you build momentum, pin your product in your bio, and it'll start making passive sales as your audience grows. So now you know the 3 types of digital products that always sell well: how to make one from scratch, and exactly how to market it with a faceless theme page. The next step is simple. Build one product idea and build it today. Don't overthink it. And if you want help launching faster, I made a free cheat sheet breaking how to build and sell Canva digital products from scratch. Link will be in the description box below. Like if this video helped, and subscribe for more digital product tutorials. And drop a comment below if you want me to build your digital product idea live in the next video. I'm out though. Peace.